Hey, it's Cyrus. Welcome to this bittersweet longing meditation to reconnect to transcendent wholeness and bliss. At some point in life, we start to recognize we've been separated from our source energy and we long to reconnect to it, to feel at one with it. And all of our worldly desires can seem but a pale echo of that core longing. But we can use those echoes as a gateway into that energy, into that core desire that allows us to reconnect almost effortlessly to that source, to that transcendent flow. So if that sounds good, let's explore that together now and just take a seat in a comfortable position and close the eyes when you feel ready. Take a slow, deep, powerful breath into the body, filling up the body, animating it with oxygen, and releasing slowly out through the mouth, decompressing as you exhale. Take one more deep breath, this time in slow motion, like you're intentionally slowing your rhythm down, deeply breathing all the way down to the toes, and as you exhale, make it twice as slow as you let it go, allowing yourself to relax and land as you do. And notice the electricity at the surface of your skin, the sensations dancing with aliveness. Start to tune in to the inner sensations within the body, those subtle currents of energy that start to light up as you meet them with your attention. Notice how those currents move with the breath. They're shaped by the breath as it drops in at its own pace. And now I invite you to think about something that can help you connect to that core longing for that transcendent divine energy. Make sure that it's something that feels safe to you, nothing overwhelming. It could be a memory of a time with someone that felt perfect and beautiful. It could be a work of art or a movie that leaves you in a state of wordless awe, or a song that reliably sends chills through your body and uplifts you as it flows through you. Just take a few moments to connect with, think about, and feel whatever gateway to that longing feels safe and also truly powerful to you now. And notice the feeling it creates in your body, maybe a bittersweet longing for a connection with something you once felt separated from, a yearning desire to become at one with that and embrace that feeling as it starts to blossom in the body. Allow it to grow stronger with the breath, to amplify as you breathe and flow with its rhythm and pattern. If it feels safe, allow those images or impressions or sounds that you use to call it up to flash before you and strengthen that yearning within you and allowing it to become as intense as it wants to grow if it feels safe to do so. And notice how this is a different kind of wanting. This isn't a craving, it's an opening of your energetic pathway to a higher energy source to begin to connect with you and fill you up with its limitless flow of love. Even though it might be an unfamiliar sensation to embrace, allow yourself to embrace that wanting of that connection, to want as deeply and fully as you want to, as that feeling aches to. And notice that as you open yourself to that energy, to that wanting of that connection with the light, it wants to meet you too. Feel and notice how it begins to open and illuminate and shine upon you as you open to it. Notice and feel how the longing for it is simultaneously the receiving of that wholeness, of that loving energy, and allow it to flow through your body, through your heart, freely and fully with the breath. Allow the depth of your yearning to put you in direct connection with that source energy, becoming one with it, dancing with it, floating and flowing with it. And if it feels good and safe to do so, allow yourself to begin to relax into it fully, to merge with it energetically. And feel the gentle, all-embracing buzz of its love as it flows through and beyond you. Notice how it transcends the mind and opens all the energy centers so that they can connect and communicate and flow in an open state as you simply relax and blissfully witness. And I invite you to simmer and bask in and enjoy that connection for as long as you intuitively feel called to. And perhaps at your pace, visualize doing what you do in the world as an expression of this wholeness, of this higher connection. And if this served you, perhaps be mindful of your ability to reconnect to that longing and yearning for the higher connection on a daily basis. And notice how that practice is a question and an answer all at once as your desire for that is met with the fulfillment of that reconnection. And then your actions can be a conscious expression of that connectedness and love. If you enjoyed this, consider sharing it with someone who might benefit from it. And I thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Have an amazing day.